Welcome friends, today we are to another exciting video on our channel where we bring you all the latest update, plot explanation and review from the entertainment world. Today we are diving deep into a project that has taken digital platform by storm and is currently trending everywhere. The title of this hugely popular release is One Watch, One Promise. If you have been scrolling through the video feed on the YouTube, social media, or a web drama application recently, there is a very high chance you have stumbled upon a dramatically and thrilling highlight from this project. People are constantly sharing, talking about it because of its high energy story, deep emotional drama, and non stop suspense. It has managed to capture the attention of millions of viewers across the globe in a very short span of time. In this video, we will break down everything you need to know about One Watch, One Promise, including its cast, story, technical details, review, and streaming update. Let us start by looking at the basic production background of this trending project. Many of the fans who watch the show are eager to know about the director, the producer, and the production banner behind this work. This information is not officially available yet. Details about the official production budget and normal pre-production setup are also kept private, as this project falls under the fast-growing category of digital short web drama and reel-based series. However, what makes this production so interesting is how efficiently it was filmed and brought to the audience. Unlike the traditional big budget cinema that takes the year in a pre production, this project was designed specifically for modern digital consumers who love fast storytelling. An interesting fact about One Watch, One Promise is that it became a viral sensation purely through the online word of mouth and a logarithm recommendation without relying on millions of dollars in a traditional billboard advertising. Now let us focus on the star cast and acting performances that make this story so gripping to watch. The main lead actor playing the Santa hero is a Victor Romano who delivers a very powerful and convincing performance. He plays a strong-willed man who finds himself trapped between honor, loyalty, and a dangerous path of revenge. Victor Romano brings a grateful intensity to his character, making the audience care about his journey from the very first scenes. The female lead actor performances with a great grace, serving as the emotional heart of the story and sharing his strong screen chemistry with the hero. The supporting cast member also play a crucial role as a secret warrior, the treacherous enemies, and the loyal companions. Every actor gives a dramatic performance that fits the energetic style of short form internet drama, keeping the viewer invested in every single scene. Let us talk about the core story and the plot of One Watch, One Promise without giving away any major spoiler. The story centers around a very special and legendary wristwatch that holds an unbelievable secret and deep personal commitment made between key feature figures. What begins as a meaningful promise quickly transforms into a high-stake war involving dangers, hidden enemies, unexpected betrayal, and deep family secret. As the main hero tries his best to fulfill his promise and to protect the legendary watch, he realizes that he cannot easily trust anyone around him. Old friendships are put to the ultimate test, and every choice made by the character carries heavy consequences. The main themes of the story revolve around the loyalty, revenge, sacrifice, and destiny. The narrative keeps the suspense alive by the ending episode on shocking cliffhanger that force you to watch the next part immediately. Moving on to the technical side of the film, the creator have focused heavily on a visual presentation to suit mobile and screening viewing. The cinematography uses many close-up shots to capture the intense expression and raw emotion of the actor during the confrontation scenes. The camera angles are dynamic and move quickly to match the fast pace of the story. The editing is tight, crisp, and energetic, ensuring that there are no slow or boring moments anywhere in the narrative. While heavy computer graphic and visual effects are kept minimal, subtle VFX lighting effects are used during a dramatic release. The color grading leans towards dark, sleek, and moody tones which fit the crime and action thriller genre perfectly. Furthermore, the action sequences are packed with a swift hand to hand fight and intense face off that give the audience a full thrill. Music and background score are always essential elements that double the excitement of any drama, and this project handles audio effectively. Information regarding the official music director and the composer is not officially available yet. However, the background score used throughout the show features a strong orchestral beat, fast-paced rhythms, and dramatic sound shift. The music swells up during a moment of betrayal, fights, scenes, and the major plot twist, which boosts the emotional impact for the viewer. Even though there are no full traditional musical song number, the sound design does a fantastic job of maintaining high tension from beginning to end. When we look at the public and critics review, One Watch, One Promise has reviewed a very enthusiastic response from a digital audience worldwide on the platform like YouTube, Shortmax, and Dailymotion. Thousands of viewers have left the comment praising the show for its addictive nature and surprisingly plot turn. Social media reactions show that the viewers are actively discussing the mystery of the watch and sharing their own theories about what will happen next. While the traditional mainstream film critics have not formally published newspaper review for the short web format, online reviewers and YouTube creators have given positive feedback. They praise the project for delivering maximum entertainment in a short format that fits the modern viewing habit. Now let us address the box office performances of this project, because One Watch, One Promise was created directly for